Hello ma'am, good day. This is MARJIE ENTOD, BSED-1. This video presentation discusses about the nature of human language. The nature of human language, according to Noam Chomsky theory on the innateness of grammar in the human mind. I saw that any features of the language capacity must be a set of biological structures selected in the course of evolution of the human brain. The nervous system of all animals have a number of basic functions in common, most notably the control of movement and the analysis of sensation. The object of inquiry in linguistics in human language, in our particular, the extent and limits of diversity in the world's language. One might suppose, therefore, that linguists would have a clear and reasonably precise notion of how many languages there are in the world. Can translation be regarded merely as a bridging of gap between national language, it is not an act with which to provide difference in scribe borders and thereby identify the unity of a language? This article proposes that translation is anterior to the organic unity of the language, and that this unity is deposited through the specific representation. The language fall into groups, and each other derives elements of earlier version of themselves and earlier and current versions languages. There are hard, defined boundaries. It is generally accepted that in Europe, French, Spanish, Italian, and Romanian are derived from Latin roots, while German, Dutch, and it. Linguists get a question a lot, sometimes by family members or potential allies, sometimes by casual acquaintances or seatmates on a plane, sometimes from friends, colleagues, or university administrators. It forms out that linguists do quite a lot of different things.